Hi everyone. So in this quick video, I'll walk you through all the modules of Playbook AI and what it does. So Playbook AI prescribes omnichannel tasks that can be executed from a single window and gets updated in the CRM of your choice. And how it's done? So in Playbook AI, you can create campaigns, which you can say as cadences as well or flows. And the leads can be brought through your CRM or you can upload as CSV. And the SDR or the BDR team will get the activities to perform every day. So let's start with the sales pipeline page. So in sales pipeline, what you see is the lead journey. So every organization has got different pipelines. So in this case, you can see 4 stages. One is the outreach, the other is discovery call, demo and opportunity created. You can create multiple pipelines and assign to different BDR team. So the maximum stages that you can create is 12 and minimum has to be 3. And it can be done through the settings page. Now we will move to the play section. Every stage you can create different kind of plays. So in Playbook AI we call the cadences of flows as plays, and every play can be created for the whole team or it can be an exclusive play as well. So let's take an example and create a play. So just let me name it as test play for now. So now what you see is a blank canvas. In this blank canvas, you can create steps of your choice that can comprise of email, call, SMS, LinkedIn and Twitter activities. So just with a simple right click, you can create a step. We call these steps as nodes in Playbook AI. And let me have as email 1, and this should get executed as soon as contacts are added to the platform, and this should be a personalized email. So automated email will go automatically from the platform. However, in personalized tasks, personalized emails, the BDR team will get tasks to perform in their activity board. So now, for example, as soon as the email gets delivered, there should be a call task that should go. So maybe I can name it as call 1. And you can see all the activities that can be performed through Playbook AI: email, call, SMS, tweet favorite, follow, LinkedIn request, LinkedIn message, all these. And I should want this call to happen after 24 hours of the email delivery. And I can just save this. Execution type is required call. Yeah. So after the call is rejected, I want a LinkedIn request should go. If the call does not get accepted, I should have a LinkedIn request going on. And this should happen as soon as the call gets rejected. So you can create any number of steps in this blank canvas and then assign the contacts to it, and accordingly the activities will come to your to-do list board or the activity board, which I'll be showing you towards the end of the video. So this is how you can create plays in Playbook AI. You can set up a schedule when this play should run, and you can create events. You can give condition that the only contact which has got at least an email address should come to this play. So you have got all those rigid conditions as well, like has email and as well as the phone number. So you can make use of all these events as well. Then you can assign the members to it. So if all the team members are assigned to this play, the contacts get split equally among these 3 members. Else you can select one member to have an exclusive play, and you have the option to duplicate as well. So once you have created one master play, your team members can duplicate the master play and make use of it. And then we can save it, and this is how a play is created. So I'll show you one example how complex play you can create here. So this is one example. Maybe the first step is the first step is LinkedIn, then an email, then call, and so on. So you can create any number of steps and then assign your contacts to it. Now this is the contact section and the account section where you can see the profile of your contacts. And taking an example of one of the profile, I will show you how the history looks like. So this is one example, and you can see whatever emails or the call that is happening through the system, everything will come up here in the history section. Even the calls which are going through Playbook AI also gets recorded. So we are integrated with Twilio as our VoIP solution. So any calls that are going through Playbook AI gets recorded here as well. Email history, any notes you have added, everything comes up here. And you have an option. You can upload contacts through CSV, or we can assign roles that the lead should come from your CRM directly and get assigned to the play that we have created. This can be shown in the settings part. If I go to settings and if I go to the API integration, so we have this. For example, this is Salesforce. So there are a few rules that we can assign, and accordingly all the contacts will come directly from your CRM and get assigned to the play. Else you have the option to go to list, upload your contacts, and this is the option to add them to the play by selecting the stage and the play. Now we come to the most important screen for the user. The user needs to adopt only the activity board screen, because creating campaigns, assigning lists, or uploading contacts is not a very frequent thing. What is frequent is doing your activities at time. So as I've said that we prescribe omni-channel tasks that can be executed from a single window. The users don't need to juggle between different screens and do their activities. So now you can see there's a reply email task I have got. So I can perform these activities. Else, if I don't want to follow the algorithm of Playbook AI, which takes into account a lot of factors before prescribing you activities, I can take the help of this My Task section and see what are the tasks that are pending at my end. So I can execute email first, or maybe I can do my calls. So we have got a LinkedIn automation as well. Since LinkedIn provides limited API, we have built an 80% automation thing which can help you do LinkedIn tasks very fast and efficiently. We have got a very robust reporting system in Playbook AI, and these comprise of channel reporting, play reporting, account reporting, as well as the user reporting. So let's start with the channel reporting. In channel reporting, you get to see how your channels are performing, partnering to your plays or according to the users. In plays, if I take an example of the very first play, that is manufacturing finance Bhaskar, I get to see that how many emails were delivered, how many got opened, how many got clicked and replied, and so on. And the similar in call as well, how many calls were made, how many got accepted, and every data point you see is actually clickable, and you get to see the minor details that who has actually opened or replied to your emails or has picked up your calls. And all this data is exportable in a CSV format so that you can later play with the data. Now coming to the play reporting. In play reporting, you get to see how every step of your campaign is performing. So if I take this example, manufacturing finance Shruti, I get to see how many LinkedIn requests was sent, how many got accepted, how many got skipped, and how many emails were delivered, and so on. Now you can analyze which email worked better and why. So you get to see the templates as well from here, and then you can analyze for your future that what are the steps that are performing better and which are not. Now coming to the account reporting. In account, if you are reaching out to multiple stakeholders inside one account, you get to see their touchpoint analysis as well. So for example, in this first account, I have around 3 stakeholders. I get to see the play name, I get to see the SDR name, and the touchpoint analysis. Now towards the end, this is the user analysis, how your BDR team or SDR team is performing and what are the accounts that have been assigned to them. You can get to know all these details. Plus you have the percentage option to toggle it and see as a percentage. Plus you can see it in a graphical mode as well. So apart from this reporting, if you think that we have missed any reporting, we are always open to create reports for you inside 48 hours. And every day at the end of the day, you get a daily digest as well to know how your team performed throughout the day, how many tasks are pending, what are the tasks that I've completed. But to have a gist, you will get a daily test every day. So if I take the example of team activity dashboard, I get to see how many and what are the tasks that are pending. I get to see the leaderboard as well, total emails sent and calls done. Plus I've got the account analytics, stage-wise performance, overall activities to reach the success stage. Then we have got the overview where we get to see how many touch points have been done so far, what is the conversion rate, what is the lead life, what are the touch points required to move the contact to the last stage, and all these stuffs. So thank you. Hope you have a good glimpse of the application. For any questions anytime, please let us know. We are always happy to connect and help you. Thank you.